Welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing a review and unboxing of this 300 watt WINNINGSTAR juicer. You will see me go shopping and then we'll do an unboxing. I'm looking at juicer, guys. I need a juicer. I think I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. It's a 110 plug. I think I'm going to go with that one. It's actually the same size and more expensive, so I think I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, I needed a juicer for so long, guys, and I decided to get me a juicer so I can make my juice without all the hustle and bustling. So I'm going to unbox this and I'll come back. First thing I see after opening was a scouring sponge. Very nice. And also our manual and warranty card at the back. I have 3-month warranty on this. So let's remove this from the back so you can see what we're dealing with.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
This is a nice size juicing cup. I think it's around 3 cups or so. So guys, I hope that you're enjoying this unboxing. I'm not pretty good at this one, but I'm getting there. So another thing I'm going to show is my trash bin. That's where all the roughage goes. Yes. And we have to remove that lever when you need to open it so you can wash. And it's a 110 plug, just what I needed. So this part used to push all the fruits down into the juicing basin. That's how I call it. Yes, and that's how it is. And this part can be removed when you're going to wash. So it's pretty easy. It has 3 clips. I'm going to show you the 3 clips. Yes, that's how it is. And then that part also can be removed. And then this is where that's where the motor control. So this is pretty simple and easy to use and easy to assemble back, of course. So I'm going to do a test run of this juicer so you can see how I use it.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know
Another
what you're
thing,
thinking.
guys, this only has 2 speed. So yeah, as I said, it's 300 watt. It's not heavy, but it's good for home use. So I would say this is definitely a steal, and the price wasn't bad, of course. So let me give you back a good run through of everything, and then I'll show you how I make my juice with this juicer.
Ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Another thing, guys, it doesn't take up a lot of counter space. which is a props. So here, after washing my juicer, I'm using this juicer for the first time. You will see video of it up already, and it was pretty good. I've made a cucumber, lemon and ginger juice, and I also make a refreshing summer fruit punch. So I find this juicer very easy to use. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this unboxing and review, and you like the video, share, and also guys, drop me a comment below. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.